To fix an Anker power bank that is not charging your iPhone, start by checking the power bank itself. Ensure it has enough battery to charge your iPhone. If the power bank is completely dead, charge it first before attempting to charge your iPhone. Next, inspect the cable and ports for any damage or debris. Make sure the charging cable is properly connected to both the power bank and your iPhone. Try using a different cable to rule out any issues with the current one. Check the power bank's output voltage and current to ensure they are compatible with your iPhone. Anker power banks typically have multiple USB ports with different output settings, so ensure you are using the correct port. For example, if your iPhone requires a 5 volts 1A output, use the port that matches this specification. If your iPhone is still not charging, try resetting the power bank. Most Anker power banks have a reset button, usually located on the bottom or side of the device. Press and hold this button for a few seconds to reset the power bank. Additionally, check your iPhone's charging port for any blockages or corrosion. Clean out any debris using a soft brush or cloth to ensure a proper connection. Also, ensure that your iPhone's charging port is not damaged, as this can prevent charging. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be a problem with the power bank itself. Check the power bank's warranty and contact Anker's customer support for further assistance or to request a replacement. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Anker power bank not charging your iPhone. Remember to always use the correct charging cable and port, and to keep your devices clean and well maintained to prevent any charging issues.